Attach the brewing head to the handle filled with coffee grounds. Press the double cup button and the direct pass button simultaneously. Long press the single cup button to start making coffee. After getting the desired amount of coffee, release the button. Press the direct pass button again to confirm the settings. Compensation coffee settings. Press and hold the single cup button and the direct pass button simultaneously. Code shows 15. Click the direct pass key to confirm the settings. Automatically adjust the weight per gram of the compensated coffee. After completion, click the direct pass button to confirm the settings.